phase 1 billboards going up on Hillcrest and 3rd Street right now. Very excited about it. Just an updated progress report, which we're going to do every week for Village on 3rd. 8-unit townhomes, 3 levels, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. It's going to be an exciting project, and we've erected the last 2 weeks here, and we should be completed in the next couple months. Very exciting. If you'd like any information on these 8 units that we have for sale, please contact Michael Guan, Michael McKillican on Facebook. Our email address, website, bynanaimo.com is my personal website. 250-756-2112 is our office number. So for any information, or you can come and visit our site, villageon3rd.com. Thank you. Michael McKillican, Sutton, West Coast of Nanaimo. We're getting close to Halloween time. Guys are working on the 2nd floor. There's going to be 3-level townhomes at Village on 3rd. We just want to give you guys an update of exactly where we are at. We're also putting up the big billboards on the corner of Hillcrest and 3rd Street right now. Very excited. Project's moving forward. We're building with no rain so far, knock on wood. So we're probably looking at another 2 weeks before we have the 3rd floor up, and lock-up is probably within a month, which means that the buildings or the structures will be closed in enough where we can do the inside. Very excited. Village on 3rd, we've got 8 units, 3 levels, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. Please contact us for any information. We've got the disclosure and everything ready. Thank you.